Can anything bad happen when you've got a shopping bag? Yes. Yes, it can. This must be one of those days where you should just stay in bed. Good idea. She's not gonna miss that outfit. This would be great for Thanksgiving. Oh, wait, are those red high-heeled shoes? Think they'll fit? Something tells me it must have been a long winter. Maybe these tights could help. Just cover everything, even the shoes. Hey, if Superman can wear underwear over his tights, then you can wear tights over your shoes. Ah yes, nothing beats the thrill of a sale. Soon, the battle begins, and everything can be a weapon. Is it worth it? You can't even return it for store credit. Oh no. Well, let's hope this store isn't one of those break-it-you-buy-it places. I was wondering where the security was. Like stealing candy from a… it was too easy. Why is she shopping? At this rate, she can swipe herself a whole new wardrobe. You know, sometimes less is more when it comes to accessories. Oh, we're just using them to leave an imprint. Hope this paint washes off. Just make sure to wait for the paint to dry. Normally, stores like this don't let you bring in food or drink. And this is precisely why they don't let you do just that.
Oops.
This is why it pays to spring for the extra absorbent socks.
Ew.
Waterproof socks don't seem like they'd help, but let's try them out. Wow, the soda just slides right off. What a waste of delicious soda.
Wow.
Well, time for the ultimate test. Does it work as a sock? Wow, even after a dip, she's practically bone dry. I wonder if you could wear them to go swimming. Look at all those paints.
Wow.
Is this a boutique or an art studio? Some people need to watch where they're going.
Oops.
Don't wipe your hands on those clothes. A nice patting motion will make a nice pattern. And it's always a good idea to add some more colors. Told you this place looked like an art studio. And guess who's back on the clock? Well, he's left his mark on the fashion world. Take this as a warning. Nothing's yours until you get your receipt. You never know what you can find in the bargain box. After all, did anyone expect we'd find a fake bottom? Go on, girl, and shake what your mama didn't give you. Oh, and look, it's the perfect thing to wear to sporting events. Ouch. You'd think this thing was padded. No wonder it's on sale. When they said Barbie could do anything, no one expected this job. Oh, a kitty. Why do I get the feeling that the owner is a dog person? Well, at least this place lets cat lovers accessorize. Including a pouch to hide your furry feline friend.
Aww.
Complete with hole for breathing and eating. You know, it's not polite to ask if someone's hiding a cat. Grass shoes? Someone's fairy godmother must have gotten confused. Still, they let you go barefoot without actually going barefoot. Now strike a pose. It feels like you're out in the great outdoors. But with less bugs and stuff. Probably.
Ew.
Oh, look at that. It's the slippers with flippers. Mermaids would wear this if they had feet.
Wow.
You gotta love when the clothes just come to you. Make sure you got those Barbies out of your pants. Let's hope our next cool tool is a needle and thread. Even better, let's take some scissors and increase the hole. And voila, it's a brand new top. What else can we do? Cut up a pattern. Let's fold it up. Who said the ripped look can't be neat? What's in the box? Party supplies? Huh, they sell everything here.
Oops.
Well, might as well get started picking them up. Unless we use them to make a glow-in-the-dark skeleton. Guess we started a trend. Now, girls, play nice. Don't do that near a mirror. Good thing his nose is uncovered. You'd think this place would have dressing rooms. Catch you next time.